So if I want to be in the light, what do I have to do? What's your name?
Wes Burwell. Using the in-light wellness system here, you can see two gentlemen who are actually in the light and enjoying it very wonderfully. We've got an eye mask you can put over the eyes, so it kind of blocks off the outside world, but it's also helping to balance the brain using red and blue, kind of a push-pull effect to relax. The brain finds its centerpiece. We also have other pads. You can see one on the chest here, the pain buster tube. We're putting across to open up the lymph nodes. It will pass through the clothes, the infrared component of it. We have other pads on the back as well as on the sacrum, just to help relax the muscles of the spine, just increase the flow of blood there, and also the lymphatic drainage.
So how does it work? I mean, this is light energy. Tell me about it. I'm not...
Well, primarily, as the light passes through the different tissue matrix, what is occurring is it's actually creating photoionization directly on the blood cells, the hemoglobin, myoglobin, and as well as the endothelial tissue. So once the gas is released, it'll go through rapid chemical steps which show up in the form of vasodilation in the blood vessels, lymphatic vessels. It'll stimulate angiogenesis, new blood vessel formation, stimulates new bone growth. There's over 24 different biological benefits that nitric oxide produces, as well as we're directly stimulating ATP production of the cells, which is really pretty much like gasoline in a car engine. You need gasoline and oxygen, of course, to burn it, and ATP is the body's pretty much the currency, the gas, which is combusted at point of use to allow you to conduct cellular business.
So Wes, tell me, there's other similar types of devices in that category. How does this differ?
Due to the fact that we've got such large pads, we're covering a greater surface area with a larger number of lights. This actually produces an exponential release of nitric oxide, whereas compared to if I'm using just a small laser, I'm only initiating a very small amount. So this is what really exaggerates the healing response with this particular device.
Okay, so what kind of health challenges is this good for?
Well, I always say to people, if you name a disease where circulation is not involved or lack of circulation, we need to have that flow of life, blood flow going in and blood flow leaving. Oxygen, nutrients in, carbon dioxide, waste products out, and same with the lymphatic system, how it cycles. So pretty much all diseases can, have a huge component of lack of circulation.
Is that because, if I understand correctly, the premise is this increases nitric oxide, oxygen in the system, at the same time affects the lymphatic system to remove the waste material?
Correct, yes, exactly.
Okay, where's this from?
It's actually manufactured directly in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Okay, and is this new to Canada?
Not really. It's been around for a few years, relatively in the last 5 years, okay. But gaining lots of popularity.
What are some interesting stories the practitioners are saying, or some of the customers?
It's such a wide variety of things, like people using it to regrow hair.
What?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Regrowing hair.
How long does that take?
Helping for how long? Everyone's different. Anywhere from 3 weeks to 3 months, we're seeing big results and changes.
It's still pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. What other interesting case studies do you have?
Rapid wound healing, bone repair, twice the rate of healing, different things such as that. Helps with, I don't know, there's such a wide variety of cases.
What are people saying here at the show?
Well, they've really been enjoying the relaxation principle of what it has to offer. A lot of aches and pains, sore neck, sore back, people get out of the chair and they feel completely relaxed. So.
Okay. Is this for anyone to use, or do you have to go through a practitioner?
The actual units are available directly for purchase, but you can also go to see certain practitioners who use these in a clinical setting.
Okay, so for more information?
You can go to chops.com, and they are the actual distributor here in this local area.
Great. Thank you.